Hi, this is Priyank Chilampuri and this is my video resume. I hope by the end of the video you'll be getting to know more about me and the values I can get to your company. I completed my schooling from Silver Oaks International School and I completed my 12th from Velocity. I started pursuing my BTech in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering from VNR Vijnana Jyoti and I am in my 4th year. I am quite proficient with C programming and data structures, and I recently completed my certification course from University of Michigan on Python basics. I attended a couple of seminars which are based on ethical hacking and also on robotics. As I was more keen into robotics, I also got into some workshops in which I made a gesture controlled robot. We were taken to few industrial visits, one of which was to Incois, where we learnt about early warning tsunami system and flood system and how rainfall is measured and how it is broadcasted to the places where it was being measured. So many people's lives could be saved in case of a catastrophe. And we also went to Coca-Cola factory where everything is based on IoT and there is no requirement of men in it. And we learned how instruments were calibrated and how electronics plays an important role in the industry. I did my internship in Navnidhi Electronics Private Limited, which makes filters, antennas and radar systems to defense sectors of India and also ISRO, DRDO, etc. I learned how they calibrate filters and design antennas, and from what I learned, it was a great experience. And the company also designed radar systems for early warning missiles which enter our territory from neighboring countries, etc. They also designed and manufactured several radars and sensors for Mangalyaan mission and Chandrayaan mission, which are pretty patriotic for our space industry. And I learnt a lot from the few days of my internship, and I am glad that I could get all the hands-on experience from the company. And I did couple of projects based on Arduino, one of which was a system which segregates and separates items based on the color using color sensors which are connected to the Arduino. And my another project was a speed checker which can be used on highways to calculate the speed of vehicles. So all the vehicles can be checked if they are under the speed limit. About me, I am a dedicated hard worker and I critically think about everything which is required. Sometimes my critical thinking can turn into overthinking, which is also my weakness. If you think I am eligible and if I could bring any values to your company, please contact me. Thank you.